Hey, it's Dr. Allin, Evolve Chiropractic here in Woodstock. We're going to go over a stretch for your piriformis muscle, kind of behind your butt there. It's a muscle that's pretty important. Your sciatic nerve will kind of run past that muscle. And when that muscle is really tight, it can create a sciatic type of pain running down the leg into the foot. If that is something you're dealing with, this is going to be an awesome stretch for you. So where this muscle is located, this is our leg here, right? So all the way up right underneath glute max. If we move that out of the way, we end up seeing this little tiny muscle right here where the sciatic nerve passes underneath it. So ideally we want to put the ball right onto that muscle in the hip. So the best way to access this is going to be to lay down on the ground, and we're going to bend the leg that we're working on and cross it over the opposite knee. Now from here, I'm going to take my ball and I'm going to look for my hip bone, right? So there's the large hip bone on the outside, right? That's from your femur. And then you have your other hip bone, which is kind of that dimple in the low back. You want to kind of bisect those 2 points, and that's where we're going to put our ball. So right into this area. And then from here, I'm going to slowly put the ball on the ground. And now I'm going to roll my hips towards the ball on that side. From this position, I'm just going to kind of hang out and do some deep breathing. On a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the worst pain possible, I don't want to get over a 4 or a 5. You hang out for maybe 1 to 2 minutes max, and then slowly relieve the pressure off, and we can switch spots. So come up a little bit higher. Let's try that same movement. So I'm using my leg that's on the ground. I'm pushing into my foot as I roll my pelvis on top of the ball. Again, once you find your point, nice deep breaths, helps to calm the system. Another option for this stretch, if this is too intense to do on the ground, we can actually do it up against the wall. So we would take the ball, find that point on our hip between those 2 bones, and I'm going to turn that hip towards the wall. I'm at about a 45-degree angle coming off the wall. And I'm bending this leg, and I'm going to use my outside leg to kind of roll up and down, side to side, and find that point where it's kind of like a deep, dull, aching sensation. Sometimes it'll radiate down the leg, especially if that's a symptom you're getting. And again, find it, hang out, breathe. Don't push too hard. Don't beat yourself up. Be nice to yourself. Let the muscle relax around the ball. And you can repeat that on 2 to 3 points around that area. All right, so again, don't spend more than 2 minutes. You can bruise the tissue, which we do not want to do. So good luck. Get at it. Have fun. See you soon.